Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to update the phone number linked to your Linksys Smart WiFi account for two-step verification. Let's get started. First, log into the Linksys Smart WiFi app and tap on the menu icon. Next, tap on My Account. Finally, tap the phone number field to update your number, then select Change Number. And just like that, updating your phone number in the Linksys app is that easy. First, launch a web browser. Next, enter https://linksysmartwifi.com, then press the Enter button. Some routers have a blocking page. If you see this window, click on Continue to Linksys Smart Wi-Fi. Lastly, enter your email address and password in the fields provided, then click Sign In. On the upper right corner of the screen, under your account name, click on My Account. Under My Account, simply click Change next to the phone number field. And that's how easy it is to update your phone number using the Linksys smartwifi.com user interface.